Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Maura, and today I'm going to be sharing with you guys a little packing vlog. So I'm sure you all remember last summer was a little difficult and a lot of travel got canceled, including my family summer trip. I'm sure a lot of you had to cancel your trips last summer just because we really couldn't travel or do anything like that. But as more things are opening up, I'm super excited that we're going to be able to go on that trip this year, and that is what this video is all about. Packing for the trip that couldn't happen last year but is going to happen this year. We're going to need to pick out outfits, we're going to need to pack a carry-on for the plane, and we're of course going to have to put everything in my suitcase. So let's get straight on into the packing. Hey guys, just want to let you know that this video shout out is to Cora's World, so go check her channel out. It's super cool. And if you want to get a shout out in my next video, all you gotta do is comment that you want a shout out. Alright, so the first step is picking outfits for my trip. Of course, I'm gonna need things to wear, so I'm grabbing a couple of different things. So here's what we got so far. This is my carry-on, and this is a list that I created of a whole bunch of things that I would like to bring that I need to pack. So we're just gonna go through the list and try and put some things in my carry-on bag for the plane that I might want. That's what I'm gonna do right now. Now that I've gathered everything that I'm going to need, I'm just going to check the things off that I got and pack up my carry-on with everything that I collected. One last thing that I forgot to pack was pencils. So I'm going to take these and put them in my bag. Alright, so I just did some laundry, and now that everything is clean, I'm going to start transferring things over to my suitcase. So this is basically everything. I still need a few more things, and we're just going to start packing that suitcase up. Surprisingly, I am pretty much all packed up. I got the suitcase all ready and the carry-on and outfit for the plane all ready as well. All done packing. Thanks so much for staying all the way to the end. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more.